my channel. If you want to know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. As you can see, I've already did my brows off camera, and I know my brows will always be rough, bitch. I'm not like really a good brow person, and as you can see. Anyways, let's start with the glam. By the way, I've already primed my face off camera using the Benefit Porefessional. I just need to color correct because you see those under eye bags? And of course, I'm gonna use LA Girl Color Corrector in orange. By the way, I've been dealing with breakout so bad. And then after I color correct, I always like to dissolve that orange with a bit of concealer. But this is a concealer that's not a full coverage thing. Just do a little something. I'm just gonna use this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Verify because I feel like I'm running out on the Maybelline Fit Concealer. Then after that, I'm gonna use this Coty Airspun Plus Face Powder and just grab a really thin, like a really few product, and just touch the parts where we color corrected, which is obviously everywhere. For foundation, I'm gonna use two, which is the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation and the Loreal Paris. The Loreal Paris Pro Matte Infallible foundation. I'm gonna first go with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Verify. And then I'm gonna go with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in another shade. It's in the shade Light Neutral 15 Bitch. I'm just using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Let's move on to cream contour. I really love cream contouring, by the way. I'm gonna go with my Maybelline Fit Me. Now it's time to set my under eyes. And I'm gonna use my Coty Airspun This Face Powder. I'm literally like running out of this powder. Like, can you see that? Like, I've had this powder for 2 years. I was like literally using this every single time I would put makeup on. Okay, that's enough setting. To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna go with my LA Girl. What's this? Pro Face Powder. I don't know what shade this is. I'm so clumsy. Anyways, I love this powder because it literally makes my skin so airbrushed. So why not coconut? Okay, so let us move right straight onto eyes. So I'm just going to set my eyes real quick. My eyes are already, by the way, primed. This eyeshadow, the eyeshadow that I'm about to do is gonna be inspired by PATRICKSTARRR's like makeup tutorial. I can't remember the title, but I will put the thumbnail picture here. I will leave the link of that tutorial in the description below, and it's a really cool eye look, and I'm gonna do that, but just with a little twist. Oh my god, I'm literally so tired. I literally just did one eye off camera and I had to repeat all the way from the start. By the way, this is the eye right now. As you can see, it's a little cut crease, it's a little halo. As usual, I'm gonna grab the Morphe 35B, and this is gonna be our transition shade. I really love this, like, so much. If you haven't tasted this, bitch, I don't know you. I'm just kidding. Oh, I forgot something. Focus, bitch. And then after that, we're just gonna grab this shade. No, not that. This shade right here. And then I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. It's this really nice orange shade. And then with that orange, we're just gonna put that right here onto here. And then just make a little circle thing. And it doesn't have to be blended right away. We're gonna blend it later, okay? And then we're just gonna go with the very first brush that we use, and then just dip right again onto the very first eyeshadow that we used, and then just like go over that orange. Now it's time to cut the crease. I just grabbed the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5, bitch. There we go. Wait, I have to do this off camera. If I did this on camera, I would be like this, and I would be like this. And you can't even see me, okay? So I'm gonna do this off camera, and I'll be right back. There we go. I'm just gonna grab this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in the shade 120, and just set that concealer that we used to cut the center of the lid. After that, I'm just going to grab this yellow shade right here, and then I'm just going to put that like at the edges of the little spotlight, just like here. As you can see, I put it like only on the edges. And then that yellow, we're just gonna like go just a little mild on the outside of the center, like on the outside of the cut center, like, you know what I mean, just to like really blend it with our transitions. And then I'm just gonna go back onto the orange shade, like the third transition shade. And then to achieve that little glitter action right here, we are gonna go with the Colourpop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. And then I'm gonna grab a little, like, I'm just gonna wet this. I'm just gonna go with this shade right here. It's called Silk Streak, aka my favorite shade in the palette. And make sure to be very precise on this step. Just put it like at the very top of the cut crease. By the way, if you have like a glitter liner, let's say the Urban Decay glitter liners, that would be a lot easier to use. I just don't have a little glitter liner, so I'm doing a little shimmer and a little for the under lash line. I'm first gonna be diving in this shade right here, and then after that I'm just gonna go with this shade right here. And then after that, we're gonna go with this yellow right here. And then just go below that orange. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go back with this brush and then just blend those two. So I'm gonna go with the orange again. I'm gonna go with this shade right here and just highlight my inner corner real quick. We are now officially done with the eyes. Hoola bronzer. And then I'm just going to contour my nose. It's now time for some blush. So I'm gonna go with this Ultra blush in the shade Mai Tai. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go with this Milani baked blush in the shade Luminosa and just use this as the blush topper. And then just gonna go with my bronzing brush, not dipping this into my bronzer. And then just like blend that blush with the bronzer. I've already removed the bake on my bronzer and also on my nose, but let's now move on to the highlight. And for the highlight, you know, Beige as usual, we're gonna take to Jeffree Star Cosmetics X Mani MUA Skin Frost in the shade Uranus. For mascara, I'm gonna go with the Benefit Curler Lash, and for fake lashes, I'm gonna go with the Face Shop Lashes in the shade Cross. I don't know. Okay, so for the lips, I'm gonna use two products. I'm first gonna go with the Pop Beauty lipstick in the shade Sienna Spice. I just literally wish I had like an orange lipstick. Then I'm gonna go with the Too Faced Multi Latex Liquefied High Shine lipstick in the shade Hopeless Romantic. Or maybe I could go with this, the overall liquid lipstick in the shade Coco's Island. And then I'm just gonna smudge it all the way. And then I'm gonna go with the Too Faced. I guess we're now done with the makeup look. So I'm just gonna transform and I'll be right back.
Fake love, fake love. Now you're so bad, now you're so bad. Now we hate but you still be done. Now you're so mad, now you're so mad. Now she will not.
Okay, so that was such a ride. So I guess that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Tell me like your thoughts about this look, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I upload makeup videos and makeup photos there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. 널 위해서라면